Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Yesterday in one of my classes we ended up talking about gaming, and it was a very interesting conversation. One woman in my group works in the IT sector. Another couple of people in the group were quite big gamers themselves and were very interested in the whole economics of the gaming industry and the ethics of the gaming industry. Now, personally, I have less than zero interest in computer games. I've never been a gamer. I've never really enjoyed spending time playing computer games, but my brother is quite a big gamer, and a couple of my foreign teacher friends, friends who speak remarkable English, are also big gamers. And I know that all three of them get a lot out of it. So, who am I to knock it? If you say that you get a lot out of something, you basically mean that you benefit from it a lot. So for my foreign friends who game a lot, they get a lot out of it because they pick up a lot of English. They just kind of soak up English through being in an immersive environment where they're using language in a meaningful way. I guess you could argue you develop collaborative skills. It helps your strategic thinking. It helps you unwind. You meet and mix with people from all over the world and so on. In the same way, if you do a course of some kind, an online course, a language course, whatever, you might report to people, yeah, it was an amazing course. I got a lot out of it. I learned a lot. I got a lot of benefit from it. In the same way, you might go on a trip to a place abroad and come back saying, oh, it was such an amazing trip. I got so much out of it. And you might also say, oh, I love that person's blog. I love that person's Instagram page. I get a lot out of it. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use get a lot out of.